Look at this. You see me? Oh, I got out. I got out. Ah! Oh, I blew. God damn it. Tingling, you have the grenade launcher.
You blew yourself off.
Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Napalm strike coming in. Watch yourself. Watch yourself. Back up. Back up. Back up. Back up. It missed. Never mind.
New man.
Yeah, we are. Oh my God, this is.
Oh, I don't have any stims. Fuck.
This is so scary. This is scary. Ah no! I want mine.
Found something.
Ah! Run, 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 run. Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming, swimming, swimming. Oh my God, dude, these little fucking tentacle things are right up my ass cheeks.
Yeah, I
Quite
know, but
literally.
there's an ammo cache over here somewhere.
I'm coming. I'm inside now. I'm good. I'm good.
Oh, Shrieker.
Watch your six. Watch your six. Watch your six.
Fucking invisible fuckers, whatever they are. Claws, serrated claws. Yeah, stalkers.
Bag's empty.
Yeah, 5 kills. 1 nade. Suck it, bitches. I'm dead though. God damn it. I got surrounded. Oh my God, I'm way outside. I need to come inside with it.
Objective critical stratagem available.
Calling in reinforcements.
It's dropping
Calling
in
down
now.
supplies.
Fuck, yeah, it's okay. I'll just
Requesting
avoid
sentry.
it. I'll go straight
Calling down
inside,
a
straight
sentry.
inside. Bro, he just straight
Oh my God, I
squished my
landed
ass.
Reinforcing.
What the fuck just happened?
Freedom never sleeps. Liberty save me.
Is my mech still alive?